Good cast. There he is. Get him, get him, get him. He's on. Dominique's on. I knew it was one right there. I knew he was gonna sit right there. I knew he was. Oh man, that's a good fish.
That's a pretty damn good fish for a creek.
It's a really good fish. That is a nice fish. God almighty. It's a beautiful spotted bass. Here, let me help you. That is a beautiful spot. Oh man.
2-2?
2.2. Good bass. Good job, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Let you get the release on him.
Hold on.
You want to get a picture of him?
Yeah. Yes, sir, bro.
Dominique's got the first fish on. Beautiful bass. There he is. Look at him.
Right back upstream.
Yep.
Back to the side and he gone.
Right back over there.
Follow back down.
All right. There he is. Oh man. He had it on and he jumped out. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. I watched him come up and hit it. A little spotted bass. All right. Let's see what we can do here. He's in here somewhere. I know he is. There he is. Got him.
Yep.
Oh,
that's
it's a good fish.
That's a good one, Quan.
It's two behind him.
Yeah,
There's one behind him.
yeah.
There's one behind him. Come on. That's a good one. Oh man, it's a good bass. Stay on, stay on. Please stay on.
Real good bass. Smallie.
It's a beautiful
Real
smallie
good
too.
smallie.
Come here. Oh yes, sir.
Real good smallie.
That's what I'm talking about. Come here, boy.
Catch, bud.
Oh yeah. There we go. On that white fluke. I knew it'd be one sitting in here. Let me get my pliers. Oh, what do I do with the pliers? Did I give you the pliers?
Yeah, they right here in my bag. I got it.
Okay. Am I even recording still? Oh, I am recording. I'm still recording, Bo.
Yes, sir.
We got him on cam. Good smallie. I watched him come up and hit this thing. That was another one right behind it, about the same size. That is a good river smallie right there. Really good river smallie. You still got your phone out, Bo? I'll let you take a picture with it since I'm recording on mine. Alrighty. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Thank you, buddy, for letting me catch you. That's a beautiful smallmouth. There he goes. Back to that little hole.
Yep.
Came out of.
Damn fluke.
That fluke's gonna get it done.